Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment not completed issue on Apple ID or in App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to make any payment, you might see the error that your payment is not completed. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. So after connecting to a different, stable, or strongest network connection, just go to settings. Go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect that, then go to like that region. Select region. You can also try to select your own region in which you're living from here. Then go back and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. If you haven't set it your time zone, just set your time zone, then tap enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically and go back and here go to software update. Just try to update your software. You can also try to go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, and select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, just go back and you can also try to make a forced reset with your iPhone. Now to do this, just quickly press and release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After resetting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's was a temporary glitch or a network issue, so it might have been fixed in this step. Or you can also try to check for your software update again to prevent software issues. So after doing this, you have to simply go to your app store and you have if your issue is still not fixed, so you have a single way. Just tap on the profile option at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, and here you might have to enter your Apple ID password. So just enter the Apple ID password if it prompted. And here, and after entering your Apple ID password, just tap the sign in option. And once you have signed in, just wait for the loading screen. Then tap on this manage payments option, and you just have to try to remove your payment method from here. If you already have any payment method or more payment methods, so you just have to try to remove your payment method. So after removing your method, just tap on this country origin option, and here just select your own country or region in which you are living. Or I recommend you how to try to select the country or the region which you have just selected in your Apple ID setting, where you are recommended how to try to use the same country or region in both of your iPhone setting and your App Store in your Apple ID. Just tap on the continue option here, then tap on agree at the top right. Now on this screen, you have to re-add your payment method. So you can add your previous payment method which you have deleted, or if you haven't, so you can also try to add a new one here. So once you have added your payment method, just enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on an option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID or your App Store. So you might not get the issue again. But in some cases, if you still face the same issues, that's the only way. But the very first thing you can try to check for your balance, that you have no balance in your Apple Pay, or you can also try to go to your Apple Sport app. If you can't find the app, so you can install it from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Sport Web. Select iPhone from here, then select subscriptions and purchases, then select unable to purchase. Now on this screen, just tap on get more help, then tap on colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.